Today we're at the RV Factory taking a look at the brand new 2025 Mobile Suite 41 FKRB luxury full-time rated fifth wheel. This is a 6 slide out front kitchen fifth wheel loaded with a lot of great features. You have 3¼ inch thick sidewalls, dual pane windows standard. This thing has the new LED light bars that are dimmable. It's a wide body fifth wheel, 15-inch steel chassis. You're going to have a huge front kitchen right here with dishwasher, the big residential style oven, 4-burner stovetop, big residential refrigerator, convection microwave over there. You have dovetail drawer construction, ball bearing drawer guides, soft close cabinet hinges. You have soft touch padded ceilings on this thing, individually plank tiled floors instead of one sheet of linoleum. Beautiful solid surface countertops in this thing as well. You got a very nice high-rise faucet over there, big window over there as well. Just a real beauty here. You got a little area here you could use as a dinette area or maybe an extra workstation if you both work from the RV. A lot of cabinet space over here. You are going to have a sofa that makes a bed, power theater seat with adjustable headrest. Got a little desk area right there. Big smart TV, sound bar, and an electric fireplace, which is basically a fancy electric space heater. You got day-night roller shades on this thing. This thing is a real beauty right here. You got some storage here. We'll kind of show you what's in behind the little control panel area there here in a bit. You're going to have the bathroom right here. One-piece fiberglass shower, the nicer, fancier toilet right there. You're going to have quite a bit of linen closet space. Big high ceilings in here, turbo exhaust fans, skylight up above, fancy little sink area right there as well. You also are going to have the large TV in the bedroom right up here, already pre-mounted at a nice angle so you can sit up here and watch TV. Big Camper King bed. This one was ordered with the power lift bed. Stackable washer dryer goes right here if you want to do that feature. Really nice, convenient area here. Lots of drawer space. Counter space in here, nice windows in here as well. Just a real beauty here. Again, this is a full-time rated fifth wheel, guys. This thing has 3 air conditioners on it the way it was ordered. Now, we're going to get one of these down to the lot. I'm going to do a real full tour like I always do to truly show you the ins and the outs of this thing and really get into the details of the RV. But just want to do a quick tour for you here so you could kind of see a lot of the things on here and what is coming to the market by the DRV Mobile Suites. This is just one of their available woodworks. They got 3 available, a couple different furniture colors, multiple paints as well. All right, folks, thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Much appreciated.